Okay, so hello guys, this is a problem on HackerRank called Tom and Birthday. So the problem is Tom is planning to celebrate the birthday of his friend Diksha. There are two types of gifts that Diksha wants from Tom. One is black and the other is white. So basically we want to minimize the cost of gifts and we can convert the gifts into one another. We can convert them, right? And they have given us cost and all everything they have given in the input format. So let us try to code it directly. First of all, I'll just take the sample input, whatever they're just giving us. So I'll just copy the whole code and paste it in PyCharm, so I don't have to type it twice. Okay, I got all the costs and also this is number of black gifts, this is number of white gifts, then this is cost of black and this is cost of white and this is the cost of conversion, right? So now we just have to minimize the cost, right? So we'll use if condition. So actually they have mentioned it in one of the test cases. Let us check that test case once. So this is the test case. See here, if the cost of black gifts is greater than cost of white plus z, then we can buy the whole gifts by the cost of black gifts. Sorry, by the cost of white gifts, because cost of white is less, and then we can convert it, right? So first of all, I'll write it on in the code. So I'll use if statement. So if the cost of black gifts is greater than the cost of white gifts plus z, then I'll simply write cost equals to, first of all I'll buy all the gifts, right? I'll buy black gifts plus white gifts, and then I'll buy them by the cost of lesser one is white, so I'll just multiply the cost of white, and again as they have mentioned over here, see, black plus white into the cost of white gifts, and I have to convert them, right? So how many do I have to convert? So I have got all the white gifts. Now I have more number, I have to convert them, right? So I'll just write z into how many gifts do I want, that is b. So in this way we'll do it, and in the same way we just have to use for white gifts as well. So I'll just copy this whole thing and paste it. Okay, and instead of black gifts we just have to replace it by white, and white by black. This will be the same here, b, and here will be w. Okay, and else will be simply we'll just write cost equals to normal, whatever it is. So just simply black into the cost of black plus white into the cost of white gifts, and I'll print it. Print the cost. Actually we have to do it in some other way. We are just checking it. Name error. Okay, now let us check it. Okay, fine. I'll just copy some sample input now. There we have to take it in test cases and all, but I'm just checking it for normal thing. So the output of this case should be 20. I'm checking for one case firstly, then we'll change it into okay, right. Now I just have to convert it into a function now. So for converting it into a function, suppose we'll use a for loop. We'll see all above code afterwards. Suppose we are using a for loop. So we have to take first of all t as our test cases, number of test cases. So t will be the input, and then I'll use a for loop. So for I in range will be t, of course, and after that I just have to use the function, right? I just have to take all the inputs. So I'll just copy all the inputs and paste it here. Okay, I took all the inputs and I have to define a function, right? So I'll just define any function called, suppose, cost of gifts. Okay, cost gifts. Okay, I'll simply define it and I'll paste this whole code in it. Okay, and okay, I just have to call the function now. So I'll simply call cost of gifts. Each and every time. So C is capital. C. Okay, cost of gifts. I'll just run it and check for all the inputs now. Okay, it works, I think. I just copy the whole code and paste it on HackerRank now. So just to check all the test cases. Okay. Okay, it works. No problem. Thank you.